In the realm of automotive legends, few names evoke as much reverence and admiration as the R34 Nissan Skyline GT-R, often referred to as Godzilla for its dominance on both road and track. This iconic sports car continues to captivate enthusiasts worldwide, even decades after its initial release. The R34 Skyline GT-R's reputation as a performance powerhouse is well earned. Beneath its timeless design lies a formidable twin-turbocharged inline-six engine, meticulously engineered to deliver exhilarating acceleration and precise handling. Generating impressive power figures, the GT-R effortlessly translates raw horsepower into an adrenaline-fueled driving experience, making it a favorite among speed aficionados and collectors alike. What sets the R34 Skyline GT-R apart from its peers is its technological sophistication. Pioneering features such as the ACCECORIES all-wheel drive system and the advanced multifunction display, MFD, empower drivers with unparalleled control and real-time performance data. These innovations not only enhance the car's agility and stability but also cement its status as a marvel of engineering ahead of its time. Beyond its prowess on the road, the R34 Skyline GT-R boasts a cult following nurtured by its appearances in popular culture and motorsport achievements. From its starring role in the Fast and Furious franchise to dominating podiums in the world of racing, the GT-R's legacy transcends automotive excellence to embody a cultural icon, a symbol of Japanese automotive ingenuity and passion. Crafted with precision and designed for performance, the R34 Skyline GT-R's interior reflects a blend of functionality and driver-centric ergonomics. Its cockpit envelopes occupants in a purposeful environment, where every control and instrument is intuitively positioned to enhance the driving experience. Upholstered in quality materials and adorned with subtle GT-R insignias, the cabin exudes a sense of exclusivity and craftsmanship. The allure of owning an R34 Skyline GT-R extends beyond its technical specifications. It represents a connection to automotive history and a testament to Nissan's commitment to pushing boundaries. Each model, meticulously maintained and cherished by enthusiasts, serves as a timeless reminder of an era when automotive dreams became reality on the streets and circuits. As automotive enthusiasts look to the future, the R34 Skyline GT-R remains a beacon of inspiration, a symbol of what can be achieved through dedication, innovation, and a relentless pursuit of perfection. Its enduring legacy continues to inspire generations of drivers and collectors, ensuring that the legend of Godzilla lives on in the hearts and minds of enthusiasts worldwide. In conclusion, the R34 Nissan Skyline GT-R stands as more than just a car. It is a testament to the enduring appeal of automotive excellence and the pursuit of automotive perfection. With its blend of iconic design, groundbreaking technology, and unmatched performance, the R34 Skyline GT-R remains a timeless icon, an ultimate Godzilla that continues to reign supreme in the annals of automotive history.